Right, it's arrived. The pizza oven is here. Check it out. It's just a matter of putting it all together now. Just got the templates on the silicate board. Just got to cut them out now and got the calcium silicate board cut to size. Now I just got to put some foil on top. Just stops the mortar getting sucked into it when you lay the bricks for the floor. Okay, the floor is down. Check it out. They did a really good job of having all the floor bricks cut to size, and we're ready to stick the dome down. Look at that, got the keystone in. The bandages are on the joints. Just got some glad wrap on there so they don't dry out so quick. Up to the archway, which is starting to get fun now. So I'm going to build these two stacks first and then build the arch of bricks across the top. Open your arm, Billy. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, the arch is done. Check it out. Turned out awesome. Gaps are really good. The gaps are all the same and everything lines up beautifully. So I've even cleaned down here in behind it on the other side, and that's where the flue goes. So yeah, great job the Fire Brick Co, because this went together beautifully. Alright, I've just got to leave this in for a day and then I'll pull it out and have a look. Right, I've set the flue vent in place now. And look at it, it's coming up great. That really caps it off, doesn't it? So I'll just mortar in all the joints and clean it up now, and pull it out square. Oh yeah. Check it out, the render is on. First coat anyway. Pizza oven getting closer. Big unveiling for Mum.
Oh, wow. Wow, that looks great.
I've just started laying these tiles and the trim, so that's been very complicated, getting all that the right size. Okay, I've just finished the tile grouting and I really love that tile. Love that colour. Brass trim. Alright, now I'm just going to grout here. Just give this another finish off here. We're getting close to nearly done, so it's looking great. Yes. Cooking soon, baby.